Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your homepage. By default, when you install the theme, you'll notice that you'll just receive your latest posts on the homepage. Obviously, we're going to change that. So let's jump into our dashboard and start by creating a page. So let's go ahead and add a new page, and let's call this one home. Um, and then the next step you're going to do is under template, you're going to select homepage on the page attributes on the right. So let's go ahead and publish that. And your homepage won't change yet. There's one additional step we need to do, which is assign that in the admin panel. So under settings and reading, instead of front page displays your latest posts, you'll click a static page. And now we can look under our front page and find the home page we just created, select it, and save changes. And your post page, by the way, will be your blog. So if you wanted to select that as well, you can do so. Our documentation will cover that under setting up the blog. So let's go ahead and refresh our page, and you'll see our home page now is working, albeit it's blank. And we'll cover how to set up the slider in the next section, which is under slider setup. But for now, let's go ahead and go over some options. So the first option, of course, is to just go ahead and edit the page. So under pages, let's edit it. And you can just add normal content. You can add short codes, all sorts of good stuff, and that will display as you would expect. The next thing that we cover is under the live preview. You'll notice that there's these cool boxes, and we actually made it easier than using a bunch of short codes and stuff to create those. And they're actually created with child pages. So let's go ahead and go over what that means. It means that each one of those boxes is a page. So let's go ahead and create a box, and let's call this one responsive layout. And let's add some content here, ... And then under page attributes and template, or under parent, this is how we assign the child. We select a parent page, and of course we'll want to select home page as the parent. And then you can also adjust the order. Let's make this one the first one and publish it. And now when we refresh the page, you'll see that it shows up in that 2-column layout as needed. And if you wanted the little icon on, you can add that as a featured image. Click Set Featured Image, select the image, set it as a featured image, and update, and it will become a featured image. So let's go ahead and do that again. Let's add another one, and let's call that detailed documentation. Example content here. And then under parent page, we're going to select home page. And under order, let's make this one the second one of the boxes. And then let's go ahead and upload another featured image. A little icon. You can click Set Featured Image, select the icon, and set it as a featured image. And now when we publish it, we'll now have 2 boxes with the icons and everything set up perfectly. And if you wanted to, for instance, add a button, you can just use the short code button. And color, we'll use default. And we can actually just remove all these options and just do URL. Let's just link to Google for now. And then that's how you can easily add in a cool button. Then we can also cover, let's say we wanted to adjust this column count. That's actually done under appearance, or under your customizer. So you can reach it up here, and there's a home settings section, and home child post per column. So let's go ahead and make that 3, and you can see it's 3 columns, or 4. You can fit 4 of them. Let's go ahead and just cancel that and leave it as 2 for now. But that's how you can create content, or these boxes with buttons. And if you wanted, you can actually create this layout with short codes as well. We just kind of wanted to throw the child pages in there so that you didn't have to worry about any of that. You could just create a page, select a parent, pick your order, and add your content or an image, whatever you needed.